Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip along US 11 North in Montgomery County, Virginia. Here we have a concurrency with US Highway 460 East as we head out of the town of Christiansburg. The local name of US 11 in Christiansburg is Roanoke Street, changing to Roanoke Road as we leave the town limits, providing some foreshadowing of an upcoming city. We passed through the census-designated place of Shawsville, which had a population of 1,241 as of the 2020 census. Shawsville was developed on the former site of Fort Voss, used in the mid-1700s during the French and Indian War. There's been some controversy with the upcoming community of Elliston, around 4 miles up the road. The stretch of road between Elliston and Shawsville along US 11 and US 460 is commonly referred to as the Elliston Straightaway, characterized by its straight path, an uncommon road feature in this part of Virginia. In the 1990s, there was a minor dispute between Elliston and Shawsville regarding the placement of a Welcome to Shawsville sign along this straightaway. The sign faced some vandalism and had to be replaced. It's important to note that these communities often lack well-defined borders, and despite being census-designated places, there may be discrepancies in how locals perceive the boundaries compared to the U.S. Census Bureau and the U.S. Postal Service. Additionally, the former Shawsville Elementary School building falls within the Elliston zip code. we enter the community of Elliston with a population of 855 at the 2020 census. Originally named Big Spring, the town's railway station served as a significant stop on the Virginia and Tennessee Railroad, later becoming part of the Norfolk and Western Railway. In the late 1880s, investors aimed to establish a major industrial and railway hub there, intending to name it Carnegie City. However, the railroad opted for the town of Big Lick in Roanoke County, later known as Roanoke, for its primary shops. Before the 2010 census, Elliston and the adjacent town, Lafayette, were combined into a single census-designated place. Despite this, locals view the two areas as distinct communities, leading the Census Bureau to separate them in 2010. We leave Elliston and enter the community of Lafayette, which had a population of 429 as of the 2020 census. At the Roanoke River, we enter Roanoke County, which had a population of 96,929 as of the 2020 census. While Salem is Roanoke County's seat, its administrative offices are located in the unincorporated community of Cave Spring, which we won't be passing through. We enter the unincorporated community of Glenvar, which had a population of 892 as of the 2020 census. We conclude today's video here at mile 137. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos, as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.